Dear children, we are going to talk about the Great Barrier Reef of Australia. Now, the Great Barrier Reef is located on the northeast coast of Australia. It is the world's largest reef that is found on Earth, and it's made up of coral, so it's called the coral reef. So, in this map of Australia, you can see the Great Barrier Reef has been marked with a red color, and they have shown you that it stretches right from the eastern part of Australia, right from the north till the middle of Australia. Now it stretches over 2,300 kilometers and can be viewed from outer space also. So it's quite a big and a huge reef which is there present in the eastern coast of Australia. Now, the reef is formed of the skeletal remains of small marine organisms called the coral polyps. So, over here in this picture, you can see the overview of the coral reef, that is the Great Barrier Reef of Australia, how it really looks like from the top, okay, or from a great height. And it is made up of the coral polyps, which are small organisms which are living and they can be seen under the sea water. So they are called the coral polyps and they live in the shallow sea, warm in the tropical waters. So they are really very colorful and they just look like a garden as you see in this picture. Now it is called the Great Barrier Reef because it acts as a barrier for the movement of the ship to the coast. So since these reefs are growing in such a manner that they are causing a barrier to the ships when they came to the eastern coast of Australia, so that is why the name Great Barrier Reef has been given. Now the region is rich in soft and hard corals as you see in the picture. There are jellyfishes, mollusks, fish of all kinds, of all colors, and there are sharks, there are whales, and there are dolphins as well. So that is why it's called the Great Barrier Reef, and it is quite a spectacular view in Australia, and anyone who goes to Australia comes to visit the Great Barrier Reef. So that was in short about the Great Barrier Reef. Thank you.